Hi everybody and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. I'm Chef Tony and today we're making chicken bacon ranch flatbreads. Chicken bacon ranch flatbreads are great for parties, get-togethers, a quick dinner, or even a late night snack. We're going to use a few ingredients. We have some leftover rotisserie chicken that we're going to use. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. Now the amount of ingredients that we're going to need varies on the size of your flatbreads. We need our flatbreads. We have some leftover rotisserie chicken that we had last night for dinner. About a cup of mozzarella cheese. A few tablespoons of ranch dressing. We're going to use our homemade. I'll drop a link in the description if you want to see that. A few strips of bacon and some cheddar cheese. Before we get started assembling the flatbreads, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. To get started, we're going to lay down our base of our ranch dressing. Spread a nice even layer all the way across, just like so. Take it right up to the edge. Get that spread out. Now we're going to add a very fine layer of our mozzarella cheese, just to help everything stick. Some of our chicken. Shred it up a little bit. Spread it out so that way we get a little bit in each bite. Now our partially cooked bacon. A little bit more mozzarella. Just like so. Then just add a little bit more of that zing that we like from cheddar cheese. Just a nice little sprinkle on top. Just like that. Now we're going to place this into the 350 degree oven for 5 to 7 minutes until the cheese is nice and melted. There you have it. In a few simple minutes we have our chicken bacon ranch flatbread. Let's cut into this. Nice crunch. Now you can add hot sauce on top or even another little drizzle of ranch. Just like so. Now let's get a bite of this. Alright, let's taste this. That's so good. You get a nice crunch from the flatbread. The bacon adds the smokiness. The chicken is amazing. The ranch, it's really good. I'm going to put a link down in the description for this homemade ranch dressing. The mozzarella and the cheddar just pair well, so good. If you like what we're doing here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or anything that you would like to see us cook, go ahead and comment below. And once again guys, thanks for stopping in and we'll see you next time.